According to Stats Canada, Western Canada seems to be underwater. They've updated us on, as at the end of June 30th, the seeded or intended percentage of acres that producers have planted in Manitoba and so on and so forth. So let's start off with Western Canada, Manitoba. 80 to 90% of the intended seeded acres are planted as at the end of June. Southwestern Manitoba, about 70 to 85%. Alberta, about 80 to 90, Saskatchewan 70 to 75, Northeast Saskatchewan about 50%, Northwest Saskatchewan about 95%. Again, there's no production updates here. We won't get that till about August 20th. So really this is old news. It's a rear view mirror of the past. Since the end of June, obviously we've seen a lot of things change. They're also saying Ontario looks overall pretty good for corn, beans, and wheat. So what's the problem? Since this end of June, it's Russia. Russia's having major problems with very dry weather, experiencing weather temperatures as high as 104 degrees. So what's happened now is that a lot of analysts are coming out and reducing some of their estimates for Russian wheat. You can see from the chart attached that 2009 we were at 93.5 million metric tons. Now they're talking 70 to 75. The original estimate was 86. Exports last year were 22 million metric tons. Now the local researcher called Sovicon, private analysts are suggesting that Russia may cut exports by 50% down to 12 million metric tons. That's equivalent to 400 million bushels. If we take a major exporter out of the global marketplace, if demand continues to improve, you're going to have to probably search that wheat from the U.S. As that U.S. dollar comes lower, that's going to make U.S. wheat more competitive. This also may help substitute corn for feed usage as well. So that component makes corn look a little bit more bullish going forward.